Hi Chintan, welcome to the second edition of the Real Estate Marketing Playbook Catch Up. We're honored to have you here today. Okay, my first question to you is how has your experience been on the floor today?
Out of the world, like I got a chance to hear it from the real estate icons from our industry और उनके साथ बैठ के to understand what is their secret sauce. That was like the learning that I can see. और उसके पहले जब presentation हुआ था where all the data about how AI can change the entire real estate game and using it in a very right way, the way the team presented it was really interesting.
Amazing. Now, you told me at the start of this Byte interview that serious मत रखना. So I just want to know ये सबसे fun moment क्या था आज panel का?
I think जब सबको पूछा कि why did they want to do the content creation, so उनका input जब आया and secondly everyone goes through that phase where अपने को ऐसा लगता है यार मेरे reels के views क्यों नहीं आ रहे, why is my reel is not shared by a lot of people. Correct. But I saw everyone who was there who is trying to make content, they also go through the same thing. Yeah. So for me that was a very interesting where I could relate with each one of them. Second, उनके जो thought process था very similar. Like I remember when Vishal said जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. मेरे को एक चीज और ऐड करना था, जो ज्यादा दिखता है वो ज्यादा बिकता है. So again like I am of the opinion that you have to post everywhere. But there are few people who are like let me become a champion of Instagram, let me become a champion of YouTube. But I feel you have to have presence on all the platforms. You don't know what will work.
Amazing. Yeah. And now coming to your entire content creation space, ये वाली reel के लिए भी कोई hook दे दो.
ये hook था. where you don't know.
No, you have the SpongeBob like, thinking.
Like you start with like 1 second of. ये hook था. I think use this. ये पक्का वायरल जाएगा. Let's see. चलो अब देखते हैं. Let's take this like ये टेस्टर डालते हैं कि कोई 1 सेकंड के लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, एकदम डम एक्सप्रेशन. ये हुक था.